Hello, you have opened a new Resource Master document and are ready to add a new resource. In this section, you can enter or view information related to resource code, description, type, unit of measurement, expenditure type, work center name, basic day capacity in hours per day, basic week capacity in hours per day, man-to-machine ratio basis, active status, labor cost per hour, machine cost per hour, overhead cost per hour, and total cost per hour. Start by entering a unique identification number for the resource. Enter a name for the resource. Select the type of resource to specify whether the effort requires a machine or a human. Select Machine to indicate that this resource is a machine. The hour option is the default value for unit of measurement and is used as the basis for resource cost calculation in transactions. Select Direct or Indirect to indicate the type of involvement in production by resource. Select Direct to indicate that this resource is directly involved in production activity. Indirect indicates that the resource is supporting production activity. To select a work center code, click the search icon. A pop-up appears. On the pop-up, select a work center code. The work center name is automatically populated. Alternatively, if you know the work center code, you can enter the same. Note that this work center code must be present in the master. Enter the working hours for the specified resource in hours per day. Enter the working hours for the specified resource per week in hours per day. Enter the man-to-machine ratio to indicate the measure on machine efficiency to the manpower utilization involved in using this resource. The active status of work center is set to Yes by default. This implies that the work center is available for selection in relevant transactions. Enter the labor cost to this resource. The cost is entered per hour. Enter the machine cost to use this resource. The cost is entered per hour. Enter the overhead cost forecasted to use the resource. The cost is entered per hour. The total cost per hour is based on the cost entered for labor, machine, and overhead. This completes the header section. You can now proceed to equipment section.